Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting project which is nothing but extra mile configure a solar energy bundle with Salesforce CPQ. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ specialist certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now. So which is nothing but sign up for a developer edition org with Salesforce CPQ. So if you scroll down here, you will find developer edition org with Salesforce CPQ. Just open this in a new tab. So here I'm just going to fill out all of these. So I have filled all of these field. After that, just click on this checkbox and followed by sign me up. So you should provide your email ID over there. So it will take another 2 to 5 minutes in order to receive a mail in your registered email ID.